Hi, I missed all of you. Did you miss me? Sorry, I was not able to do videos in the past month. I was very busy with work. But that doesn't mean I stopped studying sign language. Sign language, like any other languages, is a continuous learning. What do you do to relax and unwind at the end of the day? Before, I used to play bowling with friends to release some stress, or just hang out over dinner and chat about our day, our stress, and our dreams. Those were the days. But now that we are busy w- with our lives, and most days I prefer to stay at home and watch movies, K dramas, or just read a book. How about you? Share what you do to relax and unwind after a busy day. See you in the next video.
Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.